In the middle of the morning, the inspector, Henry Arbuthnot, arrives at Beeston Market Station, and is greeted by Lord Tolmash, who is the chair of the board of directors for the railway, and Thomas Warhurst, the station master at Beeston Market. They discuss the plans for the day to ensure that the inspector has a chance to see every part of the railway. He starts off by taking a quick look at the cattle dock on the siding that serves the local Smithfield market, and then, after inspecting the accommodation in some of the coaching stock, he watches the shunting operations as one of the mineral trains from the sand quarry is reversed into the exchange sidings for the London and North Western Railway Crewe to Chester branch line. In charge of the quarry trains today is Black Hawthorn Saddle Tank 040 locomotive Burwoodsley. The inspector has arrived at a particularly busy time, because no sooner has the sand quarry train reversed into the exchange sidings than an ore train from the copper mine arrives. In this case, the skips are loaded with spoil, which is actually then going to be transported down to the Dee estuary, where it will form part of the new sea defences.